students. As you all know कि we are studying the chapter 3rd of chemistry and we have done up to the flow chart that shows the extraction of metals. We have done with the occurrence of metals. So today we are going to discuss the process of extraction of metal. As you know कि this process occurs in the 3 steps. Number one, concentration of ore. Concentration of ore. Second one is extraction depend upon activity. And third one is refining of metal. So by these 3 steps we get the pure metal from the ores. So students, first step is concentration of ore and this is also called enrichment of ore. Enrichment of ore. So today I will discuss the first step, that is concentration of ore or enrichment of ore क्या होता है. Total this occur in 3 steps: concentration or enrichment of ore, extraction depend upon activity, and third one is the refining of metal, and ultimately we get the pure metal from the ore. So now I am going to discuss the first step, that is concentration of ore or enrichment of ore. What is this? Concentration. Concentrated word आपने सुना होगा, dilute and concentrated. That means आप जानते हैं we can mine the ore from the earth crust, है ना? So this consists of various impurities, various earthy and sandy impurities, and these impurities are known as gangue particles. These impurities are known as gangue particles. So first we remove these basically sandy and earthy impurities from the ore, and this process is known as concentration or enrichment of ore, जिसके अंदर हम impurities को remove करते हैं. And there are various methods to remove the impurities from the ore. So how we do this? First हम क्या करते हैं, we take the ore, वो बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े लम्प्स में हमारे पास अवेलेबल होता है. Then we crushed it and this process is known as pulverization of ore. Crushing करते हैं सबसे पहले, we do the crushing of ore and this crushing is known as pulverization. तो हमने पाउडर बना लिया है हमारे बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े लम्प्स का जो कि ओर है. ठीक है. Now we do the various physical process like hand picking, like hydraulic washing, like magnetic separation, like froth flotation. So these are various physical processes. Through these processes we can remove the impurities or the gangue particles from the ore, and these methods help in the concentration or the enrichment of the ore. These all methods depend upon the property of ore, कि हमने ओर किस मेटल का लिया है एंड द इम्प्योरिटी प्रेजेंट इन दैट ओर, कि ओर में इम्प्योरिटी कैसी है और ओर किस मेटल का है. डिपेंड अपॉन दैट वी कैन अप्लाई द मेथड अमंग दीज, और देयर आर वेरियस मोर मेथड्स एंड दैट रिजल्ट्स इन द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ओर. क्लियर? आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस दीज मेथड्स इन डिटेल. दीज आर नॉट अप टू योर मार्क और अप टू योर लेवल. You can read all these methods in +1 class. The special chapter extraction of metal, but still up to this standard you must know about the name of the method or name of the physical processes through which you can concentrate the ore. तो बच्चों अब हमारा जो ओर है वो कंसंट्रेट हो चुका है ना. द फर्स्ट स्टेप वी हैव डन. नाउ व्हाट वी डू इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. तो हमारा ओर कंसंट्रेट हो चुका है. नाउ वी अप्लाई द सेकेंड वन मेथड. यदि मैं आपको याद दिलाऊं, डिपेंड अपॉन एक्टिविटी, देयर आर थ्री कैटेगरीज ऑफ द मेटल: लो रिएक्टिव, medium reactive and highly reactive. Highly reactive, medium reactive and low reactive. So in this we are going to discuss the extraction of metal of highly reactive metal. How we extract the pure metal which are highly reactive in the reactivity series. In this video we will discuss these only, and in the next videos we will discuss of the medium and low reactive metal extraction, how we extract these. So let's do the extraction of highly reactive metal. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप जानते हैं हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स लाइक सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, these are highly reactive metals and they are generally found in the form of oxide and halide ore. Like you know about the sodium ore, sodium exists in the form of sodium chloride, aluminium in the form of bauxite, Al2O3.2H2O. So these are the ores of these metal. This is also have the ore carnallite. So these are the various ores of these respective highly reactive metal, and from these ore how we extract the pure metal, let's see in this video. So I take example of the sodium, extraction of sodium from the sodium chloride ore. In this I would explain, है ना? So what we do in this, the method we use to do the extraction of highly reactive metal, that is known as electrolytic reduction. So here we are representing the setup for the electrolytic reduction. Here we take NaCl, that is in the molten state, molten. So that will result in the formation of ions Na positive and Cl negative. So students, we do the extraction of highly reactive metal with the help of process known as electrolytic reduction. The reduction with the help of electric current, electrolytically we reduce this metal, because these metals, these highly reactive metals are not easily reduced with the help of reducing agents or by heating. So we use the electrolytic reduction to extract the pure metal. Clear? So what we do in this, we take two rods, one is anode that is positively charged and another is cathode that is negatively charged. We connect it with the battery. और जिसका मुझे इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस करना, I take it in the form of electrolyte, but that must be present in the form of molten state, जो पिघला हुआ होना चाहिए. यदि मैंने जिस फॉर्म में अवेलेबल है उसी फॉर्म में यदि इसको मैंने ले लिया यहाँ पर, that will not result in the formation of ions. और जब तक ions नहीं होंगे, the process of electrolysis does not take place, you know all. So हमें लेना है molten state में, that will result in the formation of ions Na positive and Cl negative. this is positively charged ion, it will attract towards the negatively charged cathode. So these positive ions get attracted towards the negatively charged cathode, and this Cl negative ion get attracted towards the positively charged anode. So at this cathode and anode, reactions will take place, oxidation and reduction. So at anode, what will take place? At anode, you all know oxidation reaction will take place. तो हमारे एनोड पर कौन सा आयन आ गया? यू नो दिस इज क्लोराइड आयन, Cl नेगेटिव आयन. Oxidation means loss of electron, loss of electron. So this is going to lose the electron and it convert like this. This will oxidize. Similarly, various number of chloride ions come on the anode and they get oxidized by losing the electrons. So in this way, Cl plus Cl combine together to release a gas, chlorine gas. So at the anode, chlorine gas is released. But our main motto is what? To extract the pure sodium metal from the ore. So क्या होगा? At cathode, what will take place? At cathode, reduction will take place. And you know about reduction in the terms of electron. Reduction means gain of electron. Electron gain होता है. तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पर हमारे पास कौन सा आयन आया? Na पॉजिटिव. Na पॉजिटिव आयन हमारे पास आया, और ये Na पॉजिटिव आयन क्या करेगा? It will gain the electron and get converted into the sodium metal. These sodium ions gain the electron which are loosed by the chloride ions, and they get converted into the sodium metal, and these sodium metal get deposited over the cathode and we get the pure sodium. यही तो हमें पढ़ना है. हम एक्सट्रैक्शन पढ़ रहे हैं, हमें उस ओर से प्योर मेटल को एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है, और हमने सोडियम क्लोराइड एज ए ओर लिया है. सो वी वांट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट सोडियम फ्रॉम दिस ओर. So we get the sodium at the cathode with the help of electrolytic reduction method, because these are highly reactive metals, or they are not reduced simply, so we use this method because they are itself strong reducing agent. Reducing agent means जिसका oxidation होता है, because they can easily lose the electron. These metal can easily lose the electron because of highly reactive nature. That's why they are not reduced by the simple methods. So in this way we get the pure metal from the ore. You can also take the example of aluminium to extract the aluminium from the aluminium oxide, bauxite ore. मैंने अभी जो आपको बताया था. Clear students? So समझ आया आपको एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल? दो क्वेश्चन यहाँ से बनता है. इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक रिडक्शन को ध्यान रखिएगा. दूसरा एक गिव रीजन का क्वेश्चन यहाँ से बनता है कि वी आर नॉट एबल टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल बाय द सिंपल, by converting them into the oxide or by simple reducing agent. So you will answer because they are itself strong reducing agent, because they are highly reactive, so they are not reduced by the simple reducing agent. To do reduction we use the electrolytic reduction method. Clear students? So with this we will end this video. In the next video we will discuss the extraction of medium and low reactive metal. So please students, if you like the videos, please press the like button and comment me in the comment box. Stay safe, stay at home, stay happy. Thank you very much.